Recently, I published a video featuring a really cool expression. But surprisingly, what really caught everyone's attention was the line connecting all the layers. And honestly, I get it, it looks awesome. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how I created that effect. Here's how I did it. First, I selected my shape layer circles. Next, I went to my hub and used the Connectus tool to link all the layers in a sequential order. After that, I fine-tuned the connection lines and selected all the nulls that were created by the script. With those nulls selected, I returned to the hub and this time used WaveSync. This tool applies the same expression I shared in one of my videos, but automatically across all selected layers. It even creates a nulls with controls, making the entire setup super flexible and efficient. And that's it, a visually striking animation achieved with just a couple of tools. By the way, both Connectus and WaveSync, along with the hub, are available for free to all my Buy Me a Coffee members and Instagram subscribers. So, if you haven't joined, now's the perfect time. I hope this tutorial helps you create something amazing. Have an incredible day, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers!